plant defenses, and human cuisine. So the origin of land plants, they evolved around 450 million years ago in the Ordovician period. There were no natural predators, so their first challenges were just holding in water, fighting against gravity, and surviving in an iodine-deficient area. But in the Cretaceous period, there was a huge diversification of insects. Plant evolution and insect evolution goes hand in hand. There are three types of anti-herbivory compounds. There's nitrogen compounds, terpenoids, and phenolics. Menthol is, or mint, is what we usually perceive it as. It's obtained from peppermint and mint oils. It's a waxy crystalline structure. It's solid at room temperature. It's used as a counter irritant because of its like weak kappa opioid receptor agonist. It can kind of control addiction. These are 8 different natural occurring menthol structures, and menthol is chemically triggers like this cold sensitive TRPM8 receptor, which gives us the chill feeling when we eat it. You can also like smell it. Nicotine is another plant defense mechanism. It's made in the roots and accumulates in the leaves of plants. It's found in the nightshade family or the potato family. So potatoes, tomatoes, and eggplants contain nicotine, but small doses. It's most abundant in tobacco plants. Nicotine quickly enters the bloodstream, and it has a half-life of about 2 hours and passes the blood-brain barrier. It only takes 10 to 20 seconds for it to get there. It works by binding to acetylcholine receptors and increasing the levels of neurotransmitters. It increases the levels of dopamine, which is why some people like eating it. Capsaicin is also from the potato family, but it has the genus Capsicum. Bell peppers contain 2 recessive genes, so they do not have any capsaicin, and they're the only plant from this genus not to have capsaicin. It's a huge irritant for mammals, causing a burning sensation, so we will be going more into depth because we believe it's the best plant adaptation to deter animals from eating.
The study we chose was a study that tested the effectiveness of capsaicin as a repellent to birdseed consumption by gray squirrels. Many people who use bird feeders desire to prevent squirrels from getting at their contents. Capsaicin is the compound responsible for the hot sensation found in peppers from the genus Capsicum. Capsaicin concentration is quantified using Scoville heat units, which is abbreviated SHU. The SHU number indicates the degree of dilution required to make the presence of capsaicin undetectable. The hottest pepper known is the habanero, which is at 500,000 SHU, whereas pure capsaicin is at 16,500,000 SHU. This experiment hypothesized that greater concentrations of capsaicin in bird feeder food would deter gray squirrels more effectively than lesser concentrations. 3 types of food were used in the experiment. One was sunflower seeds, another sunflower hearts, and soy dough. And here are the experiments conducted on the captive gray squirrels. There were 3 of them. And these are the experiments conducted on the free-range gray squirrels. There are 4 of them. And these are the results of each. So in essence, the gray squirrels started showing an aversion to the capsaicin concentration starting at around 8,000 SHU, which is roughly the concentration found in jalapeno peppers. Whereas even starving squirrels, when they were fed sunflower hearts at 100,000 SHU, would not even touch those, proving that capsaicin is a great deterrent to mammal consumption.
So what significance does capsaicin have on the plant evolution? The development of capsaicin is an evolutionary adaptation to ward off specific animals. This is because animals that have pain receptors that can bind with capsaicin are warded off from eating the chili peppers. There must be a reason why birds are able to take in capsaicin while squirrels and other mammals are unable to handle capsaicin or become repelled by it. This is because the squirrels tend to chew up the seeds while the birds tend to swallow them whole. The birds eat the peppers, then the pepper seeds can be dispersed and the birds poop the seeds. Production of capsaicin allows bird-facilitated seed dispersal while it ensures the viability of the seeds by warding off the mammals who would end up chewing up the seeds and kill off the plants. Peppers with capsaicin have better fitness, as peppers without capsaicin would have less fitness.